To use Screencastify Zoom, you're going to want to open up your recordings and then open up a specific recording into the editor. The fastest way to get to your recordings is to actually hit the Screencastify extension, and then it will open and look like this. You're going to click on this icon right here, which will show you all of your recordings. It opens up this particular menu right here. You can also just click on the extension while you're in record mode, and your recordings will be right there. Once you are here, all of your recordings are accessible to you, and you can click on it, and you should see the preview view that you normally see when you're done creating a video. You're going to click Open in Editor. And once it's open, you should see your video timeline here on the bottom. To select a location in your video, you're going to click, and you'll see now that there's the yellow bar around this showing that my whole video is highlighted, and this white bar right here actually will show me exactly where I am in the video. So if I click play, it will play in my video. And I want to really zoom in to this area right here, because you see I have all this dead space here, but I'm really wanting my audience to focus here. So I'm going to click to make sure that my white bar is there. And then you'll see I have a new menu of tools. I click where it says crop. I'm sorry, not crop. Let's forget that one. Click where it says zoom, and you'll see I get this green box that I can then take and drag to the location where I'm wanting my screen to zoom in. I can decide how fast or slow I want the camera to pan in and out. I don't really change this very often, but you'll see once it's here, I now have this green indicator down on my timeline. When I click on that green indicator, I can decide how long I want that feature to be zoomed in to that specific spot in my video. So I might want to zoom it to about there. Let me go ahead and mute this so that you don't hear me. I'm going to click back, and then I'm going to watch to see if my zoom works the way that I want it to. So if it works the way that I want it to, I can go ahead and I can leave it. Now I noticed that I zoomed out or I zoomed in and there's a whole bunch of stuff going on. So I might take this and I might drag it a little bit so that it brings me back. And then I could choose to put another zoom in. So again, as long as my white bar is here, I can hit the zoom button again. It's going to bring me a little box. I can then put that box where I want it to go. I'm sorry, let me fix that. Zoom in again. Right there, sorry about that. Bring it right in here. You'll see I have the selector tool down here, the green little thing. I can decide how long I want it to stay there. Once again. And then I can fine tune it based on where I'm at. Now I can add as many zooms as I want to anywhere in my video. It is an unlimited thing. If you are trying to add other features, you do have to do some fancy cutting, but like I could come right here, watch my video. I want to put a zoom in that area right there, actually right there. I just click it where I think I want it. I can always hit the play button to fine tune it and then stop it where I think it would work best. Click on the white bar, hit the zoom, decide where my zoom is going to go, how long I want that zoom to last. And then, of course, as I said before, this shows how fast or slow my zoom goes in and out. And I don't really play with that very often, but I go ahead and hit it. You'll see it zooms in. As I'm watching it in preview mode, I can see how long I actually want it to be there. Once my cursor moves away, I might not want it to be in that area any longer. And so I can always drag this to change where my zoom is going to go in and out. So right there, I can see that I need to move my zoom back so that, because I obviously changed something as I was going. So that zoom feature will really help you fine tune and pinpoint exactly where in your video you want people to be paying attention to. When I'm done with my Zoom, I do need to export my video. So I'm going to click export. I always want to export it to my Google Drive because I do not have room on my device to export it as an MP4. Your original video will still be in your Google Drive, so you're going to want to rename this one. So I might call this Google Classroom Zoom view so that when I go to share it out later, I have the ability to find it quickly and easily in my drive, but it is shared or saved back in my drive, and I can share it out just as I would save and share anything else.